Alright, today we got another Ducati lost key replacement that we're doing. This one's going to be, let's look at the paperwork, 2014 Ducati 848 Streetfighter. So basically what we're going to do is going to make another key from scratch, and then we're going to do the pre-programming, program it to dash. That way, when you present the key, this is the antenna that reads the key right here, this whole piece. Well, actually it's under here. That read the chip, and then the bike will start. So by the time I send this back, it'll just be plug and play. So I'll come back in a little bit with the key cut and everything. All right, we back. New key is cut. Here you go. This is what everybody wants to see. Does it turn? There you go. On, off, push. Steering bolt lock. You see the bolt lock goes in and out. That means it's a perfect key. If you have somebody that just makes you a key that turns on and off, but you can't engage the steering lock, that's not a good key. I already did the pre-coating of the chip. There you go. I got the special coating on there for the Ducati, so the Ducati bike will recognize this. Bike will start right up. Ain't much really to say at this point. It's just going to be plug and play. Just make sure, you know, if you ever deal with us, make sure when you receive these units, plug everything back up. And that's it. Bike can start right up. We also have these kind of keys, Ducatis. We got this big head key. Now, if you need to buy some keys, we do have some for sale. Here goes some we're getting ready. I just finished testing all the chips on these. Did the special pre-programming for Ducati. This one I did the programming on that. I pre-coded the keys with different data. And then we got Sprinter keys. So by the time you see this video, our website should be ready to start selling keys. We're adding keys right now this week. So we'll have a few keys ready to sell. But the keys that we actually use when we do lost key replacements will be the same keys that we'll have on the site. So you won't have no problems because I actually use them when I program the bikes. So it's not going to be an issue because I've already done the pre-coding and testing of the chips. And in actuality, it's the same exact keys I use. So I definitely know you won't have a problem. But that's about it. If you need my help, give me a call or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Keep in mind, I only deal with the keys. I don't deal with any mechanical issues, electrical issues. If you lost your key, you need another key made and programmed, I'm your guy. But that's about it. Y'all have a good one, and thank you for watching.